What's up, guys? Charles Dekeado here. Thought I'd cover something I've been asked few times before. Going through my cars, getting ready for the next couple weekends. Thought I would give you guys an idea of what I run bearing-wise. I've had a few people ask me what I run from Boca. I prefer the Boca bearings green seals mainly for what I run in the dusty, like off-road conditions. But I also have been experimenting with some of their different clutch bell bearings here. I don't know if we can make that guy out there. It's a SMR 105C-YUU. Well, I thought I'd give these a try. Well, anyway, recently I did my little logbook and found out I got about 2 gallons on these guys. So, give you an idea how they spin after a couple gallons. No writing home, nothing too crazy, but they sure do hold up pretty well in our conditions. As you can see, it's pretty dusty. So that being said, I'm happy with them as of now, and I will continue to run them. As for most of my bearings, full cars, Buggy, Nitro Buggy, straight up the green seal kit through Boca, which is also a part number here, 40-160GS. And those, again, I'll run for hours at a time. Typically dusty conditions, off-road stuff. Again, nothing too crazy. There's a lot of good options out there. This just so happens to be the stuff I choose and that I like best in my stuff. And I've been asked before, people call my cars the silent buggies and asked what I use for clutch bell bearings because they notice I don't work on my cars a whole lot. I just kind of put those in at the beginning of the weekend and then just enjoy shredding my toy cars. But yeah, that being said, just wanted to touch base. All this stuff obviously is going to be available at bocabearing.com. Pick up some, give it a try. Let me know what you think. And see you at the track. Spread the shred.